Batch 911 GT2 RS-BX07, approved for Bayer Process A.
The refined reddish-white alumina powder is fed into industrial sieving machines. The central processing hub routes materials based on stringent QC results. Process A handles the metal
system. A robotic laser scanner instantly verifies the tag's data against the central factory management system.
Large, cylindrical stainless steel canisters containing alumina powder are moved by autonomous guided vehicles towards the smelting. Once the aluminum is molten, precise pre-weighed ingots of specialized alloying elements, specifically magnesium and
This critical pre-processing step removes dissolved hydrogen gas and non-metallic inclusions.
How are the readings looking on the Miami Blue?
Delta E is well within tolerance. It's a perfect match.
The aluminum linkage components tumble gently inside vibratory. This process removes microscopic burrs.
Robotic grippers precisely align and press hardened steel pivot pins into the boreholes. A specialized hydraulic press ensures
A laser etching system marks a unique serial number.
The sealed boxes containing the dark gray aluminum linkage assemblies are stacked high onto automated pallet racks.
This multi-cavity mold rapidly produces dozens of precision-engineered nozzles, crucial subcomponents required.
The high-speed water jet precisely trims residual flash from the Miami Blue cowl panel, punching out the necessary mounting holes.
Precise sensors measure the motor's current draw and torque output. This data ensures the assembly operates efficiently and within specification. The acoustic dampening foam minimizes operational noise from the motor, enhancing the NVH performance of the final assembly.
The finished wiper assemblies are automatically loaded into custom molded shipping containers made of durable recycled grade.
The aerodynamics on this GT2 are just stunning. Look at how flush the wipers are.
The 911 GT2 RS endures the simulated blizzard, demonstrating the high-grade polycarbonate's resilience to environmental stress.
The integrated Process B component is designed to withstand routine maintenance, demonstrating the structural integrity of the cowl. Process B manufacturing ensures the windshield wiper mechanism is a deliberate design element, not merely a mechanical necessity.
Accelerating rapidly on the track, the GT2 RS demonstrates the functional contribution of the Process B component to its high-speed dynamics.
The flawless integration speaks volumes about the quality of the GT2 RS. The culmination of a complex industrial process, transforming raw materials into this precision-engineered component, seamlessly integrated into the final vehicle.